Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in Salt Lake City today in the Sugar House community, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this home. It is located very closely to Westminster College. You can walk to it. There's a fresh market grocery store as well, and a couple of cafes and restaurants all walking distance. There are some bus routes as well. I know bus route 13, 209, and I think 2013. They're all walking distance as well to those stops, so you can get around conveniently from this home. I'll take you on a tour of it now. Starting off, the exterior of the home, you can see there's dual pane windows. They've all been replaced and upgraded, so there's a lot better energy efficiency. There's a nice front porch here, good sitting area as well. Upon entering the home, we've got a 12 by 24 tile landing in the entryway. And then over here, we've got this front living room area, and then a gas fireplace right here. This gas fireplace insert was installed in 2021, so it's recently put in and nice. Right here we've got a living area and this open great room concept flowing into the kitchen. So we have a wood-looking tile and then a large granite slab, the extra thickness, and then we have stainless appliances, and this is a gas stove, so that's nice. There's 2 bedrooms on the main floor. Right here, we've got the master. These are probably 9-foot tall ceilings as well. And again, the dual pane windows. And this way, we've got the master bath. So we've got a nice vanity, we've got the tile shower, and over here, there's a linen closet. And we've got a walk-in closet here. And we also have this nice thick Craftsman baseboard and trim, so it's a really nice touch to the home. Over here, we've got the laundry area. So there's a washer dryer and a nice countertop here with cabinets. We've got a half bath on the main. The downstairs you access from back here, but there's a second bedroom on the main floor that I'll show you first. So right here we've got the second bedroom. This is an 8-foot tall ceiling, dual pane windows. It's currently set up as an office, but there is a closet right here, so it can be a second bedroom. And then we'll go upstairs. So you have the Craftsman railing here. This home is built very solid. Oftentimes on the older homes, you go up in these attic spaces and they don't feel solid. This is very solid, well-built home. So we've got bedroom number 3 on the tour here. Really neat ceiling lines. They've got these window coolers, although the home does also have an AC system. And there's the closets there. This is a little storage up in the attic line. It's not too big, but this goes out to a cool rooftop deck. So out here, pretty cool rooftop deck, and then you can see down below into the backyard, and there's an alleyway that goes behind the home for additional parking. So you can access a parking pad down over here and get some additional parking along with the whole driveway. There's a lot of parking all along the driveway, which is the whole length of the property. All right, so here we've got the second full bathroom, and there's subway tile in the shower and a nice glass frame surround. And then this would be bedroom number 4. And this here's a window cooler again. They work really well, they're inexpensive to use, but there's an AC system I'll show you down below in the basement. So we've got the closet, and then we'll go downstairs now. Right here you'll see there's a Ecobee thermostat. So there's a smart thermostat that will come with the home. This will be the backyard entrance. So down here, it's perfect for a theater room, a playroom, so a large open living space here. And then we've got the utility closet right here. So this furnace was installed in the last 2 years, I believe. It's a high efficient furnace, and there's an AC line right here as well. So it does have modern heating and cooling. options. You can see the electrical panels all newer, Romex wiring, so the home has been rewired with the modern electrical, and much of the plumbing also is copper instead of the old galvanized. And so a lot of the bones of this home are updated, and this one is really a solid home located in Sugar House, which is awesome. I'll take you to the backyard now and show you the space back there. This is a little storage area underneath the main floor, so that's nice for additional storage. All right, so back here we've got a covered patio, a nice awning that's built in off the house, and the seller, I think in 2016 or 17, installed a seamless gutter system all the way around the home, so all the water gets deviated away from the home properly, and there's a smart sprinkling system. It's got a phone app and everything, and this storage shed will stay. And then this right here is additional parking accessible from this alleyway. So you got all this parking, and then the backyard is fully fenced, but we've got more parking over here. So you could have a trailer or some toys right here, and then obviously a real long driveway to stack a few cars if you need it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the home as well as some of the features of it. If you'd like to come and see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.